Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. I do want to preface this video by saying they are mowing my grass outside, so please excuse that. Okay, so I'm so happy that you guys are here to tune in for another video. This is for all of my beauty entrepreneurs, that is hair, nails, skin, makeup, lashes, waxing, clothing, anything that have to do with you being your flyest. This video is for you. I did keep some notes, so I'm looking on my computer. So just bear with me. Y'all know how I do these things. If you new here, then this is how I do them. All right. If you clicked on this video, you're basically telling me one of two things. One, that you're a beauty entrepreneur, or that you want to know how you can use email subscription services to be able to build and grow your clientele. We all know that social media is finicky, and if something were to happen to your social media account, you want to be able to access your clients all the time. I've heard and seen so many people get their Instagram deleted or hacked. Something happened with their Facebook. Maybe they lost their Facebook password, or they lost their phone, and now they had to reset everything. And you know how we got a million passwords for everything, so we can't remember the passwords that we used. You want to be able to contact that money at all times. And I personally believe that having an emailing list is the best way to keep in contact with your clients if anything were to ever happen to your phone or your social media account. Okay? So, social media is very finicky, like I just said, and people do deactivate their social media for many reasons. But that doesn't mean that they don't want to still receive beauty services in the meantime. Having an email list helps you to make more money and keep in touch with your clients and potentially get new clients. And y'all already know my motto: we love old money and we love new money. An emailing list can be used to make announcements about new services. You can tell your clients about a new location if you've moved, or share your new business contact number. You can also share that you're now offering classes. You can share coupon codes and monthly subscription packages that clients can purchase to receive multiple services in a month or over a specified amount of time. So sometimes beauty entrepreneurs, they move around for various reasons. You always want your clients to know where you moved at, what your new office hours are, and also the best way to contact you, whether it's through phone, text, or even email. If you've learned a new technique, or if you just want to start offering new services, you can put this in your emailing list, because you can tell them like, hey y'all, I'm starting to offer micro links or tape-ins, or now I'm starting to offer natural hair styling like locks and sister locks and things of that nature. If you're starting to enter into the teaching realm, like you're an instructor and you want to offer classes in person or even online, emailing list is the best way to go to announce that to your clients. Like, you can announce it on social media as well, but why not put it in the email list as well? Coupon codes are gold, okay? This can be coupon codes for people who have birthdays in July, August, September, or whatever. It could be because of the holiday. Maybe it's the 4th of July or it's Labor Day. It could be because it's Mother's Day. It could be to celebrate the men in your life on Father's Day, to get glammed up. Whatever you want to create a coupon code for, you need to put it in the email list, okay? Also, monthly subscription packages. Not a lot of beauty entrepreneurs talk about monthly subscription packages. I honestly feel like a lot of people don't discuss it because they don't know much about it. Offering monthly subscription packages help you to generate more money with just one sale. So if you have a client who needs their hair, nails, makeup, styling, whatever concerned with the outward appearance, if they need it more often than a regular person would, a monthly subscription package would be best, because it's like, say you can offer a $300 package, and it's like, okay, you get your hair done as many times as you want in a month for $300. And it's like, that's one time that you made that sale and you made $300 on one person. It's just really good, because I remember when I used to work with a lot of models, and they have photo shoots often, and it's like, instead of you having to pay me every single time you get your makeup done, Why not just pay me one time and get your makeup done X amount of times during the month? I feel like I view monthly subscription packages like a gift card because, y'all all have already bought gift cards. Once they buy that gift card, the business has already made money off of you. Whether you buy something or not, whether the person that you gave the gift card buys something or not, the business has already made the money. Same thing. You can offer gift cards in your emailing list, or like I said, the monthly subscription. It's like, whether they come and get their hair done as many times as they want to, or they only do it twice, you still made your money, dog. And we all about money, okay? I love creating experiences as well, but remember, we need to remember I can create an experience and make money at the exact same time. You can also potentially get new clients when you share your link on your social media platforms and when you have the link posted in your place of business. I would suggest, if you're going to display it in your place of business, like whether it's a salon suite, a salon shared space, or maybe in your home, that you have a QR code where people can just take out their phone, scan the QR code, and it'll take them straight to the subscription to sign up for the emailing list. Remember, always have an incentive when you are wanting your clients to migrate to something else. You need to have an incentive. The incentive doesn't have to always cost you a whole lot of money to offer. It could be something so small or even so big. It just depends on what you feel like you're comfortable with sacrificing for your clients / your business. So for emailing, have something for free. I have an emailing list. When people sign up, they get a copy of my free ebook that helps them to learn how to create a 10-minute or less makeup look, something like that. Have something free, whether it's maybe an ebook, it could be a coupon, it could be money off on a service, it could be a free haircut, it could be a free treatment, it could be, like, if you're into styling, it could be a free consultation. Whatever it is that will help you to reel people in to sign up for your emailing list. Also, I feel like having an email list, it creates exclusivity in your clientele, if that makes sense. Like, meaning, how do I put this? Okay, so you know how like Walmart is, and like how Neiman Marcus is, and like how they have their friends and family discounts, and Walmart doesn't really do that. It's kind of like that. Like, think of an emailing list like that. You can give your emailing list clients special discounts. You can give them access to special calendars where days that are not offered to the public can be offered to this clientele because they are subscribed to your email list. You can give them special coupons, things like that. People love incentives. One thing that I learned about working in corporate and franchise salons is that they know how to market to keep pulling money in. One thing about being an entrepreneur is you have to remember, how can I either, one, make more money off of one client, or two, bring in a new client and make more money off of the new client. We love new money and we love multiplying old money. That needs to be the model for every beauty entrepreneur. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to hear more on any topic that I had discussed in this video, please leave me a comment. Please leave me a comment. And please like the video and share it if you like it for real. And remember that it's you that makes you beautiful. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.